Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be unboxing JC Wing's rendition of the Air Canada A330 in the Star Alliance special colors. But without further ado, let's just get right into this unboxing. Here we have the JC Wings box. You can see this model is registered Charlie Golf Echo Golf India. So Air Canada, I believe, has 3 in the new livery Star Alliance A330s and 1 Star Alliance A330 in the old livery, so there's definitely a few of these going around at airports and can be a pretty common sight at the larger Canadian airports like Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal, where you get a lot of A330 action. They still have 1 Star Alliance A330 in the old livery, I believe, and yeah, so definitely going to spice up my model airport updates a little bit, where I'll have some special livery Air Canada wide bodies. This will also be my first Star Alliance model. So yeah, but now let's take a closer look at this Star Alliance A330 from JC Wings. Let's start by taking a closer look at the livery on this aircraft. This is my first Star Alliance aircraft that I've bought. I do have a One World aircraft, the Alaskan 737-900 in the One World aircraft, but no SkyTeam liveries yet, so yeah, like I said before, it'll be a nice addition to my Canadian airport updates to have this Air Canada Star Alliance aircraft, and maybe at some point I'll go pick myself up in old livery Air Canada Star Alliance. Probably the A321 if I do go for something like that, but yeah. Anyways, you can see at the front, you just have the Air Canada titles here, the Star Alliance logo, which you would see standard on any Star Alliance aircraft, the black engines, along with the Air Canada rondelle on the winglets. So yeah, all around, I think JC Wings has done a good job on the livery here, and I'm definitely pleased with that. Now, when it comes to the mold, I believe they are using the Gemini Jets mold. JC and Gemini Jets do share molds, and this looks an awful lot like the Gemini Jets A330 mold. As you can see right here, this is a Gemini Jets A330. So the molds are quite similar. However, that's an A330-300, and this is the A330-200. Now, I've always thought their mold is okay. Like I said, it's nothing stellar, but I think it's perfectly fine to buy. I like the look of it. It's kind of bland, pretty ordinary, but certainly doesn't have the major issues that some of their other molds tend to have. So, like I said, I'd have no hesitation about picking up JC or Gemini Jets A330, as you'll definitely be pleased with what you get. Anyways, that's all I really have to say for this model. If I have to give it a rating, I'll give the mold a solid 7.5, or maybe even 8 out of 10. And then I think I'm going to give this livery just a 10 out of 10, because I think they've done a very good job on the detailings, right down to the rondelle on the winglets. So yeah, anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.